Hi friends, and welcome back to Trini Kids TV. My name is Auntie Shade, and it's so nice of you to join us today. Now my friends, let's all get started by singing the good morning song. Good morning, good morning, good morning, how are you? Good morning, it's nice to see you too. Good morning, good morning, how are you? Good morning, it's nice to see you too. And a very good morning to all our friends that are watching. Do we know the day of the week today? Well, friends, yesterday was Thursday. What is the day that comes after Thursday? The days of the week are Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Yes, friends, today is Friday. Today is Friday. All day long, all day long. Yes, wonderful friends, it's Friday. And we are in the month of April. Now, let's say our 7-day song and say the months of the year. Ready? The months of the year are January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. Yes, those are our 12 months of the year. Now friends, let's sing the 7 days song. There are 7 days, there are 7 days, there are 7 days in the week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. And of course, it is the year 2022. Nice. Let's find out about the weather by singing the weather song. What's the weather like? What's the weather like? What's the weather like today, today? What's the weather like? What's the weather like? What's the weather like today? Is it sunny? Is it rainy? Is it windy? Is it cloudy? What's the weather like today? Is it sunny? Is it rainy? Is it windy? Is it cloudy? What's the weather like today? Now we can take a look out the window and see the weather for today. Well, it's a cloudy day today. Now let's talk about our color of the day for today. Our color of the day today is the color red. Yes, red is our color of the day. And I'm sure we can find lots of things that are red. Right, friends? Yes. Now let's talk about the shape of the day for today. Our shape of the day today is, of course, a square. Yes, a square is our shape of the day. And of course, I'm sure if we look really closely, we can find lots of squares in lots of places. Yes. Now, friends, let's all find out about the number of the day for today. Our number of the day today, friends, is the number 8. Let's all count to the number 8. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, great. We counted to the number 8. Very good counting, friends, and thank you for counting with me. Now, let's find out about the letter of the day for today. What's our letter of the day? Well, friends, take a look. Our letter of the day today is the letter S. S for snake. S for smile. S for soup. That looks yummy. S. S makes the sound S. S. Yes, and that's our beautiful and wonderful letter of the day, and of course our words that go with them. Now that we've talked about our letter of the day, of course we can talk about our area of the day. Let's hop into our boats or maybe take a plane and sail or fly to our area of the day for today. Our area of the day is Suriname. Suriname is a country located in the northeastern coast of South America, and it's very close to French Guiana and Guyana. It is a very beautiful country and it has lots of tropical rainforests. In Suriname, they speak Dutch. Take a look at all the wonderful and beautiful places in Suriname. Wonderful! Now we know our area of the day, we can talk about our lesson for today. For today's lesson, friends, we are going to be making applesauce for our Cooking Friday activity. Here's what you would need: 2 apples, 4 tablespoons of sugar, a cup of water, and some spices like cinnamon or nutmeg. First step is you're going to peel your apples. You can get help from your parents with this step. Then you're going to take your apples and cut them into little cubes. Now that you have your cubes, you can put your apples in a pot with all the other ingredients like the water, the sugar, and the spices. Then cook it on the stove until it is nice and soft. Then you can use your spoon to crush up the apples and make your applesauce. Enjoy, friends! Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you had an amazing week. See you next time, friends. Don't forget to subscribe.